This is a Sony mic, mono. Placing it right to the front. We're going to give a run. This is a boa. We're going to do the same thing. Wrap it around, give a run. I'm not sure how it's going to sound. Didn't use a mic muff on either. Common sense to me is if wind hits the mic's diaphragm, condense the mic, or chip the mic, you're going to have some type of issue. Is it RF signal interference? Wind noise reduction, which is disabled? Maybe DJI should enable it. So I hope this video test was somewhat helpful. I can't be on the car talking and going. The only thing I can do is stick my head out the window while driving a vehicle. And maybe that will help. I don't ride a motorcycle. I don't know your issue, but mine was high pitch. I thought I'd just demonstrate this for you. Have a great day. Thank you for joining. My last time doing this, get that sound test for you.